Continuing with the painting that I started from the leftover palette on my sideboard, or sometimes we laughingly refer to it as a dump board for your leftover paint. But it's building up quite nicely, and by letting it dry for a while, the thicker layers have set up some, so I can now go into it and begin adding more layers. I have added a few more colors to the new palette today, and we'll see, how those play into this piece of work once I dive into it. So let's paint. am at a point now that I am liking certain passages, going into certain other passages, the shapes and the color that is going on. So I'm going to turn the piece so the camera can see how I was looking at it and see if that orientation might look better. And then I will probably stop with this piece and see if I like it well enough to be able to leave it alone, or if I will need to paint on it maybe one more time. But I'll look at it for a few days and then make my mind up. So I'm going to turn it now and let you see the way that I was working on it. So here is the turned version, so you can see it the way I was working on it. And there's a lot still here from the leftover palette that you can look through, because I had done some mark making with the Marabou art crayons, and those are still showing through in places. And there's a lot of interest going on. The color is carried throughout the piece, and I like the shapes and everything. So I think I am going to stop with this piece for today, and I hope you've enjoyed seeing how you can use leftover paint from your palette to start the beginnings for a new piece of work. And that way you're not wasting all of this beautiful paint. This paint can go on another palette or another panel to start a new painting. And so I hope you'll try this as well if you haven't already. And until next time, thanks a lot, everyone.